Don't let slow shipping ruin your Walmart listings. Edit templates the easy way. I'll show you in today's video. And all you're going to do is just log into your Walmart account. You're going to go up into this little cog button, the settings. Once you're here, you're just going to scroll down and go to shipping info. The first thing you can do to improve your shipping speed is to turn on weekend delivery. Now, only turn this on if you are okay with it, right? And if you can actually deliver on weekends. Now, that's going to help. The next thing you want to do is click on shipping templates right here. And it's going to take you to this page. My recommendation is just to edit the current template, right? So, or you can add a new template if you want, but editing the current template is going to be the easiest way to make sure all of your listings are optimized for the fastest shipping time. So you're just going to click edit template. Now we've got the regular, you can see the transit time is 6 days. Make sure this is as low as possible. So the lowest you can go is 6 days for this right now. So make sure that's the lowest possible. And then edit any regions you want. So make sure all of the regions are checked that you can ship to. That's also going to help you get a little boost in sales, right? You can see there's some that aren't checked. So we want to check those if we can ship them. Next is going to be standard shipping. So we want to do standard shipping enabled. And we've got the transit time. We've got it at 5 days when it can go all the way down to 3 days. So again, you're going to want to edit that, bring it down to 3 days. That's going to help with faster shipping time. Make sure you don't edit the shipping time. You don't say 3 days unless you can actually ship it in 3 days, right? Then you can add different shipping and handling purchases. Again, editing regions. And we've got some that are unchecked. You want to check those if you can deliver to there. Last but not least is going to be 2-day shipping. This is your time to request 2-day shipping. You can click request access. You can gain access to 2-day shipping, which is definitely going to increase sales. If you can't get 2-day shipping, you can always convert your listings to Walmart WFS. That's a different story, but this is going to be the easiest way. When you're done, just make sure you click save template. And if this is your only template, which it is for us, then all of your listings will be updated within the next 24 hours, and you should see a spike in sales because everybody wants everything quick nowadays. I hope this video helped. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, managing your Walmart account, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time expanding your Walmart business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, increasing your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.